Hey guys, I'm Taron James from BuddhaBox Mayfair here in London, and in this video we're going to go through wrapping your hands. Okay, so this is a standard hand wrap in boxing, okay? Also known as bandages. It usually ranges from about 2 to 4 meters long. I think this one is about 4 meters long. And the idea of the hand wrap is to support your wrist and also to give a bit of padding on your knuckles. I mean, ideally, you don't necessarily need hand wraps to box, but because you have to, when you punch, like say for example, I throw a hook, a lot of people, what they do, bad habit, is they'll hook with a kind of a bent wrist. But the idea is when you hook, you have to keep a straight wrist or throw a straight cross. You have to keep a straight wrist in boxing, because if you bend your wrist slightly when you land on a target, you can really damage your wrist. So the idea of the hand wrap is to keep your wrist in place and support it if you were to kind of bend your wrist slightly. Okay, so that's how it looks like, nice and rolled up. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to efficiently wrap your hands in a quick and easy way. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is identify which side is the out and in. Okay, so this is the inside of the hand wrap and this is the outside. You can see clearly that there is a difference. Okay, and this is the loop part which you will put onto your thumb. Okay, so what you want to do is have the loop go around your thumb, and the outside is going to be on the outside, the inside is going to be touching your hand. Okay, first maybe I should take off my my Rolex. Yeah, that's better. And then you want to go, the motion of the hand wrap is going to go from thumb away from your thumb. Okay, so going that way. So you go here, you want to go a few times around your wrist, so I'd say about 3 times. So here, 1, 2 and 3. So I got quite a good amount of support on my wrist. And then you want to go back up towards your knuckles. So that's 1. Go over your thumb, because you need some decent amount of support on your thumb too. Okay, and then now you go over your knuckles. So here, same thing, I'll go over my knuckles about 3 times. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So now I have wrapped my wrist about 3 times and over my knuckles about 3 times. Okay, so now what I want to do is kind of bring it all together and make the wrap feel like a nice tight cast. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll crisscross. So from here, I'll criss and then cross. Okay, replay of that so you can see that. So it goes criss and then cross. Okay, and now once you've done that and it's feeling nice and secure, you can go through all of your fingers. I mean, some people don't do that. I mean, there's no really right or wrong way in how to wrap your hands. Everyone's got their own way, but providing you have enough support on your wrist and some padding over the knuckle, that's the main thing. Okay, but I like to go through the fingers, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go towards the pinky and then across. Okay, in the middle and then back across, and last one through here and then across, and then it's almost the end of the wrap now. So basically you just want to finish it. Okay, so I start from the knuckles, and then just go down until you get to the wrist area, and you see how the Velcro goes on like that, and then it should feel nice and secure. secure around your wrist, padding on the knuckles, and it should look something like this.